Hey there. So you might have seen at the end of the video where we logged in using Trezu to Raya Finance. And what was cool about that is that we could then leverage our different treasuries in Trezu to actually build out proposals to do different DeFi actions. Well, it wasn't just a Raya integration per se. You can actually use this on any different type of site. And so we're going to use another site here called Interdex. And this aggregator here is going to do the same kind of thing here using the Trezu setup. And so let me show you how that works. And the idea behind showing you this as well is one that it's not just one site, it could be any site. But so as a developer, you can actually start to leverage and build on top of the concept that Trezu has with treasuries and allowing them to then integrate and work with whatever you're doing because it can then automatically build out proposals. So let's try it out here again with this as well. So I have Interdex and I have my Trezu account already logged in here on the right. And so let's go to connect wallet. I come down into here. I select Trezu. Now it's going to show me my different treasuries, which is great. And so I'm going to grab my demo one. And now I am logged in and I can do whatever is available on the site. And so again, this is because this is Dex. I can set up a pool. I could, do a swap. We could do some different things here that allows me some opportunities to, again, try stuff out. So I'm going to do a small thing here. So for $1, and yeah, let's do that. We'll leave it at Jambo here. But you can see I could swap to all these different things here. It's all available. And so I'm going to get 4,000 things. Now I'm going to hit swap, but it's not going to just actually swap it for me, right? Because this is now for a treasury. So the treasury is going to have voters and things like that. And so I go to swap. It sees it's connected. And so it tells me again that it's going to create two treasury proposals for this. An initial storage deposit for registration, and then it's going to actually then do the swap. So I could say, again, I can add a description if I'd like to. I can hit create proposal. Now I am going to sign it with the wallet that is logged in to Trezu because that is where I am making the proposal. So that pops up for me, and I'm going to okay that off screen. Okay. And now this is again, it prompts me for the second proposal because again, it said two proposals. There we go. And now those have been submitted. And so now I'm going to just move this over. If I go to requests, and there they are. And so we have some recent ones for storage deposit on Jambo. And then here's my $1 that I wanted to swap. And perfect. So now we have a nice opportunity here to again have different actions using our treasuries to set up proposals by logging in directly. So no figuring out the different code, nothing on the command line. It's straight and direct using it from basically a wallet interface to do this. Once it's all been approved, I can hit proceed and then it will do all that. If I don't want to come back to this, it's going to take a while because I have to have people who are going to vote. I can just close it out. These votes, so it will tell me the swap failed because it doesn't have that completed, but it's all here. And so once it's done here, it will then swap through that once it's been approved and then go from there. So that's it. Again, this is a really cool and a nice option. You can add it to your website as well and allow treasuries to then interact with your app and then create proposals directly right through there, as we've seen in this one. Stay tuned for more ideas with using Trezu and follow along. Thank you.